Recall from the live demo on goal forming that we logged each of our goals in Excel. This allowed us to get a better view of our specific goals and rank them more efficiently. We can rank our goals by asking ourselves the following. Which goals are of higher priority and why? Here, we should also consider the mapping between our goals to our original interests, values, and motivations. Are there any goals which have a well-defined deadline? For example, getting a 4-year degree in your field of choice is more well-defined and arguably easier to define than achieving a goal of being able to dunk a basketball. What are some of the variables which might be affecting the ranking? Consider variables such as your baseline performance and which goals might be more achievable than others. After we have ranked our goals, we should also think about how to form each goal into actionable items. Each actionable item could be thought as a step in fulfilling your goal. Here are some guidelines to transform your goals into actionable items. First, start with the basics. Which goal is easiest to accomplish, all things considered? Although it is possible to have multiple goals in parallel, we really want to weigh in on the difficulty of each goal. Second, be realistic. Going back to thinking about our baseline performance, we should be realistic about what can be accomplished in a given time frame. Third, consider your schedule. Think about your regular day-to-day schedule first, then add on the additional action items you will commit to for each of your goals. Fourth, consider the deadline. Similar to being realistic, we should also set realistic deadlines for each goal. If you developed goals based on the SMART framework and already have deadlines set, think further about your deadlines after considering your daily schedule. Fifth, break up difficult goals. As we discussed before, long-term or more difficult goals should be broken up into more doable short-term goals. Additionally, each short-term goal should be broken up into actionable tasks. Depending on how well your goals followed the SMART framework during the goal-forming activity, this process could be rather straightforward. Feel free to take some time to modify your SMART goals if needed.